Hey, it's your man Bot83 for Successful Convicts, and as I've been promised you and telling y'all for the longest time, it's finally here. Successful Convict apparel, in your face, in the place to be. Y'all see it. Y'all see the logo. What y'all see? Did y'all see that on the back, huh? Yeah. DM me. You gotta get at me about these. But anyway, so, in natural order, today's episode is brought to you by who? Successful Convict Apparel. Check us out. I'd like to give a big shout out, first of all, before we go any further, to my business partner, Mitchell McEl. That's Mitchell McEl on Facebook. Hit him in the send him a message for inquiries about the clothing line. He's the manager of that. You know me, I do the YouTube. But one thing about it, teamwork makes the dream work. So shout out to him, my business partner. We're making big things happen for 2020. Regardless of all this shutdown, you know we not shutting down. The world ain't shutting down. So why should you shut down? Hey, it's your man Bot83 for Successful Convicts. Successful Convict Apparel, one more time in case y'all missed it. Anyway, I gotta talk to y'all. I've been missing in action a little bit. Not from life, but I ain't been making videos. Why? Because we've been on this lockdown. Everybody's around. The baby's crying, you know, and I ain't really had time to make a video without the disturbances and, you know, the interruptions, the kids making noise, you know, I have to tend to the baby, stuff like that. But I haven't been at a standstill. So today's video is I'm going to tell you how I've been making money. Let me tell y'all something first. Whenever it's some type of crisis, you can believe it's some money being made. Did y'all know that more millionaires were made during the Depression than any other times? During these economic strifes or these terrible times, this is when more money than ever is being made, because whenever it's a time when people are in need, and when people are in need the most, that's when people that provide these services make the most money. Like for instance, when this thing first started out, tissue was going for outrageous prices. People was charging an arm and a leg for tissue. Right now, if you don't get on in the midst of it, masks are being sold real heavy right now. Hold on. These are gold right now. These are just carbon filtered masks, regular masks. Now, my mother-in-law made some masks, handmade. These are handmade masks. These are masks that were made from material on a sewing machine with N95 filtration, whatever it is, put in the middle of it. These are real hot right now. These are selling online for a lot of money for those sewers out there. People are online showing you how to make masks out of a pair of socks by cutting a pair of socks. Masks are real big right now. They got a lot of embroidered masks. They got a lot of screen printed masks that are going around right now. So masks are real hot. You get an app on your phone. Everybody has a phone these days. I don't care if you have the elite of them all, the iPhone 11, my preference, that's in my opinion. Or if you just happen to have an Android. Sorry, but if you got an Android, that'll work too. I've been doing these different apps where you deliver what to people? Food and groceries. Food and groceries right now is killing. Okay, first let me tell you about the app DoorDash. DoorDash, you put it on your phone, you go to the app. The app is called Dasher. So you're going to go to the DoorDash app. I don't know if you can see it. Well, I know you can't see it, so I'm not even going to try to show you. But you go to the DoorDash app, click on the app. You got different categories: Dash, Schedule, Account, Ratings, Earnings. And it's going to say Dash now. Right now, I happen to be waiting on somebody, or I would be out dashing. They're giving out a $6.50 bonus per dash per delivery up until 9 p.m. And it's 4:15 at this particular time. And today they have a $14 challenge up until 9 o'clock. So today from 4 p.m. to 9 p.m., if you complete 7 deliveries, they're going to give you an extra $14, which may not seem like a lot, but think about it. How much are you making sitting on the couch? How much are you making sitting in the house, worrying about your kids and stuff like that? Oh, these kids getting on my nerves. How much money are you making? A lot of you people are sitting up ordering DoorDash. You could be out delivering DoorDash. So that's one way I've been making money. Now another one is Instacart, which you put the app on your phone. And before I get too far into it, yes, you do have to apply to it. Yes, you do need a driver's license, because the fact that you will be delivering these things via a vehicle, they want to make sure you're licensed. And I'm not sure if I have to show my insurance, but you'll know that once you go through the application period. And you have to be approved, and then upon getting approved, you will receive your very own debit card, which I'm not going to show you front, but I have a debit card for DoorDash. I have a debit card for Instacart. And I have a debit card for Postmates. Because when you go to these different places to order these foods, sometimes you have to pay for it because it hasn't been paid for already. Sometimes it hasn't even been ordered. But you go there, you order the food, you swipe the card, and it's already on the card, it's already paid for. Now, Instacart, you go to Instacart's app, and it'll pull up and it says if there's any batches available. It'll say batch available. So let's go to it. Here's batches available. 4 batches, 5 batches available. Here's one for $12.66. It's one full service order, which means that it's only one person that you're ordering for, because sometimes they do multiple deliveries. Like they might send you an order and it's 3 different orders. And I'll tell you about that in 1 minute. Here's one that's 2 service orders. And then when you click on the app, when you click on the order, it'll give you a little information about the order. Like here's one for $19.03. It just popped up. One full service order. I mean, you're servicing one person. 8.5 miles. That means you're going to drive approximately 8.5 miles from this Maple Grove Costco. 8.5 miles to deliver. It's 10 items, 10 units. 10 items means it's 10 items that you have to go to the store and buy. 10. If it was 12 units, that means one item they might want 2. Like for instance, they might want a jar of peanut butter, but they want 2 jars. So that's 2 units, but it's 1 item. Anyway, you click on it, it'll tell you $9.68 Instacart payment, and it's a $9.35 tip involved. And then it'll show you the items. You just slide through and say, oh, that might be something I want to do. Slide to accept the order, then you're on your way. Navigate to the store to show you how to get to the store. Get to the store, you'll slide. Well, first, if you're going to like a Sam's Club or a Costco, you press the button so you can show the membership ID so you can get in the store. Then you slide it and then you just go through the store and you start shopping. Then for each item that you find, you have to scan it. Scan the barcode so that they can see that it's the correct item. Sometimes they'll ask you how many did you get, because sometimes they might want multiples. Sometimes you might go to the store, they might want 3, but it's only 1, so you put 1 out of 3. Then they'll ask you sometimes what's the pound of it. Like for instance, with the meat and certain different groceries, there's a weight. They ask you the pounds. Like for instance, fruit, vegetables. They ask you how much it weighs. So it's pretty foolproof. You pretty much just follow the app, and then as you start going through the same stores, you start to get more familiar with where the items are in the store, and you start to pick up your pace and you start to go a little bit faster. So that's how Instacart works. Then once you finish with the orders, one order is cool. You go to the cash register, swipe the card. Sometimes they'll tell you to hit debit. Or they'll tell you to hit credit, or sometimes they'll give you the 4-digit code to press in for the passcode or whatever code they ask you for at the checkout desk. Boom. Take the groceries to the car. You hit complete. And like I said, the app guides you through the whole process. Boom. Then you hit navigate and it'll escort you, well, GPS you to the customer's house. Sometimes it's directions. Lately, during this times where everybody wants to be quarantined and stuff like that, they'll say, leave it on my porch. So with Instacart, you have to confirm the delivery. If they ask for you to leave it on the porch, all they request is that you take a picture of it, and it automatically sends it to them. Say, hey, your delivery was delivered. Here's the picture of the person left it on your porch or whatever. It's pretty simple. And Instacart's been good money. Like, for instance, the other day, I did a delivery for $107, one person. Because during these times, people are real generous too, because they're grateful that they don't have to go out and get this stuff. So they leave big tips. Then you have Postmates. I did one Postmate job. I didn't particularly, it wasn't for me because it sent me too far out of my area. But Postmates is another one. Boom, as soon as you log in, it says go online. You go online, they immediately start looking for jobs in your area. It'll notify you it's a job. You take it or you don't. And Postmates, they do grocery, they do a lot of food delivery and stuff like that. So basically, if you want money, it's money out there. Think about it. They just scratched up $2 trillion. They give them an extra $600 for unemployment during a time of crisis. It's money out there. You just got to go get it. Be a successful convict. Don't be a reoccurring convict. Alright? Successful Convict Apparel. Check it out.